if you had a sister or a younger brother who's starting on YouTube, and you could only give them one advice, that if you could go back, you would apply it to yourself, or you would just give an advice to somebody that's starting out new that you think would be the most beneficial, what would that one piece of advice be?
Ooh, one piece, man, you're making it really tough for me. One piece, I think, find your niche before you start, because people are going to come on your channel for a single purpose, whether it's to hear you sing, to hear you play the piano, to hear your jokes, or to see you cook, whatever it is. Find one thing that you're really good at and stick to that. Because what I did was I was kind of exploring in the beginning, because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I was doing skits, I was doing rants, I was doing like daily vlogs and whatnot. But like for me, it fits because now I started daily vlogs just because like people follow me and they know me as a person. They want to know more about my life, and so daily vlogs work for me. But if you want to be a content creator and you want to make music, then stick to just music and don't mix it all up with a whole bunch of stuff. Like stick to one thing, and that's what people will keep coming back to your channel. Reoccurring audience will come back because they know they can watch one specific thing on your channel.
Yeah, I think that is epic, and for that you get a clap. Okay.
Thank you.